Find the average of x consecutive numbers in set S. So the first thing is that we have a series of consecutive numbers. The consecutive number forms an arithmetic progression. In any arithmetic progression, we must know that average, which is same as mean, is equal to the median, and that is equal to the average of the first and the last term. So to answer this question, we understand that either we need the first and last term both, or we need the median, and for that we need to know that which term is the median term. So if in case of even number of terms, it's the average of two middle terms. In case of odd number of terms, it's the middle term. So there are so many informations that we are seeking. Let's check these statements here. First statement says that the 12th term in increasing order of the terms in set S is 8 greater than the fourth smallest term. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the 12th term, and we have the fourth term here. So if we have x here, this is x plus 8. That's not an information because we already know that the 12th term will be 8 greater than the smallest term. So that actually is in a way redundant information in order to answer the question. And this value is 3 less than the largest term. That means the largest term in that case will be x plus 8, x plus 9, x plus 10, x plus 11. Which means it tells us that x is equal to 15, which is actually the number of terms. So this statement indirectly is giving us an information that the number of terms in the set is equal to 15, and we need to find out the middle term, which is 8th term. So 8th term is going to be the mean, or it is going to be the median. So that's what we want to find out. But this alone is definitely not sufficient to answer the question, so we cross off option A and option D. Now we look at the second statement, and that says that 8th smallest term, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th term in the sequence is equal to 14, but we do not know how many terms are there in the set, and therefore we have to call it not sufficient. So B option is also out. Now we combine the two statements, and the combination of the two statements tells us that there are 15 terms, and the 8th term that we wanted is equal to 14. That means we understand that the mean is going to be 14, and therefore we say that the statements together are sufficient to answer the question, and final answer to the question becomes option C. Thank you so much.